Today's video is about one of the most exciting launches of 2022 for IDEO. Yes, I'm talking about DAO maker projects, and today's topic is Chainport. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. Chainport is an innovative blockchain bridge that provides custodian level security with real interoperability. Chainport token supports 5 blockchains that will be supporting a big EVM in Q1. Okay, so boring, but this is the exciting part here. 82 tokens using Chainport right now, with a daily average volume of 5 million and 450 million in TVL. That was what it was back then. Now it's a little bit different, but it's still freaking huge, okay? Custodian security making the most secure of the bridges, port tokens between any of the supported chains without reverting to the original token. All right, enough chat. How does it work, okay? So basically, this is what you're looking at. You connect your wallet up and you can basically port tokens from one blockchain to another. That's it. Simple. Finish. Avalanche, BSC, Ethereum, Phantom, Fuse, Moonriver, and Polygon. To everything that actually just matters, right? Is it going to have more blockchains available? Yes. We got Hecko, OKX Chain, Aurora, and Arbitrum as well. Good collection of both layer 1 and layer 2. And this kind of software is called bridges, right? The issue with bridges is that it's never really secure and liquidity is just really bad. But this project already has that liquidity. So the total value locked, yes, it was originally 450 million and, daily volume was sitting around 5 million, but it has changed and it's a bit lower, but that's okay. Because that document was prepared when the market was really, really hot and it was going to do super duper well. By the way, guys, you only have one day until the registration opens. By the time you watch this video, the registration may have already opened as well. But it's really important that you follow my research process today and maybe apply it for yourself. Okay. And you can make your own decision as to whether or not you're going to get into this. But I feel like this is genuinely going to be one of the most profitable ideas there's going to be this year because this is the flagship launch, right, of public SHOs for DAO maker. What I've decided to do is I go to Chainport and press on stats, and that shows all the stats on the ports that we used to do. Back in December was when it was basically its heyday, but so was every other cryptocurrency back then. Now the market has changed as well. Back then there was about $456 million in total value locked. Right now there's only about, 250. That is still quite a lot. That is totally enough for enough ports to happen based on the volume that we're having right now. And the volume sits at $559,000 worth of cryptocurrencies ported every single day. And that is a drop of a whopping 27% to what it was yesterday. Now, that means it's usually going to do pretty well. Overall, this number of transactions means that this project here is already functional, it's already operational, and it is already profitable as well. So that being the case, I thought, okay, what kind of other exchanges can do this kind of volume at the moment? So what I decided to do was I decided to scroll down on the list of DEXs, okay, decentralized exchanges, obviously with Uniswap being at the very top with a daily volume of $764 million, even right now, still 45% down, of course, because obviously, cryptocurrency market, it's changed, it's changing. So the volume's down at the moment, especially today being Sunday as well when I make this video too. So I scrolled down to where I could find around about that $600,000 mark. All right. And boom, what do I find? 1inch exchange is sitting at $673,000 a day in exchange volumes. Okay. That is crazy. Okay. What about then 1inch exchange is so crazy? Well, 1inch exchange is a market cap of $694 million right now. Okay. And it's ranked 105. This project hasn't even launched their token and it is pulling the same numbers as a cryptocurrency that is, swimming in the 100th rank. That is absolutely huge, guys. And the fact that you're able to enter into this on the ground floor with DAO maker on Chainport with 1 day left to go in registration, that is mind freaking blowing, guys. So obviously Chainport is super easy to use. And this is something that we really need as we have more and more blockchains that come to the market. We've had the advent of Solana, Terra, Avalanche, all these layer 1s and layer 2s, your Polygon that come in. There's cryptocurrency that's very well dispersed. This might be this central platform through which all these cryptocurrencies can be easily ported through. And that is really super duper exciting to see as well, of course. So Chainport, looking at their Medium article as well, Polygon native EVM tokens can now use Chainport for major cross-chain interoperability as well. That's really exciting to see because it is a really, really simple way to actually go from really expensive blockchains to cheaper blockchains to do your transaction and to reduce your gas fees as well. Not to mention with Chainport, with the $3 million raise that they're doing right now, and it's going to start on Monday, the best referral to this program, so you guys can participate. It's not for me. You guys participate this. If you refer other users to actually come online, not only will you have better chances of actually winning the ticket to actually get the initial allocation, which will be around $500, but you will also be able to have a better chance of winning that by referring your other users to it as well. And those who refer the most will get a $20,000 travel budget thanks to Traveler. Okay. And if you have a $2,500 balance in your EVM, you can definitely participate as well. So get behind Chainport and DAOmaker right now. If you're staking on DAOmaker, you know, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to do this. This is a no-brainer, guys. So make sure you go check out Chainport. If you've been really bored because of the dumb market that we've been right now, or if you've taken some profits because, well, bloody hell, like, you know, cryptocurrencies have done super duper well, especially the altcoins recently because of the Bitcoin going up. So if you want to make use of the moon that you've made and you want to participate on DAOmaker, if I were you, I'd seriously consider Chainport as one of the ideal projects to get into this year. Now, Chainport is obviously a flagship project by DAOmaker as well. DAOmaker has been extremely successful throughout last year. And I don't think with this launch here, they're going to see this fail. Okay. There's something about their team that have put their heart and soul into this particular project as well. So if they're going to make any project work, I think Chainport is going to be it. So thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. Make sure you go subscribe to my channel and follow all my social pipes. Go check out Chainport. Go to the Twitter. Go to DAOmaker. Make sure you register. And I would hate to see you miss out on this one. And of course, everything has risk, but out of all the risks that you can take right now in the cryptocurrency market, I feel like this is probably going to have one of the best risk reward ratios right here, guys. So thanks for tuning in. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.